Grab a bolster or sun pillows. Join me and distress. Place the bolster right at your back. Lie and relax, arms by your side. You can then choose to bend your knees, allowing them to drop to the side, supported by some bricks. Place 2 bricks under the bolster, knees wide, come into a supported child's pose. Place the bolster close to your hip, lie on your side and turn your head to face the opposite side from your legs. And you can finish with a supported Shavasana, putting the bolster under your knees, lying here, breathing in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4.